In today's video, we are going to show you how to export your project from Base44 so you can download it, share it with clients, or maybe use it outside of the platform. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and locate the project that you want to export and open it. Now, if you don't have a project yet, this is a perfect opportunity for you to create one. How? All I have to do is describe the app you want to create. For example, this one, click the forward button. Once you've done that, as you can see, all I have to do for you to export this specific project, okay? Click the three dots icon here, and as you can see, you can export this project as a zip. It's very simple, all right? However, keep in mind that zip file export is not available on free plans. To unlock this feature, you'll need to upgrade your subscription. Zip downloads are only included in the Builder, Pro, Elite, and Enterprise plans. If exporting your app code is important for your workflow, upgrading your plan is the next step. Simply choose the plan that fits your needs and gain full access to the zip file export features. Alright? And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.